This is a Toyota Fortuner of 2005 model, and in this video I'm taking you through the chassis number, the fin plate, and the engine number location. So the chassis number is located on the right hand side, foreside after the front wheel, as you can see. So on the right hand side, that is after the front wheel, is where you can see the chassis number, while the fin plate is located on the passenger side of the front inner phalanx. There it is, that's the fin plate, while the engine number is located on the engine block, as seen direct from the passenger's side front wheel.